Open and closed curves and polygons. Curves, polygons. Curves. We normally come across certain lines which are not straight in our life. For example, a garland, a snake, a leaf, or a petal of a flower. All these lines which are not straight are called as curves. If a curve does not cross itself, it is called a simple curve. These curves are simple curves, and the curves that cross itself are called as non-simple curves. Curves are of two types. 1. Open curve and 2. Closed curve. Open curve. These curves are open in any one of its sides, as shown here. Their starting point is different from the end point. Closed curve. Curves whose end points join to enclose an area are called closed curves. The starting point and end point of these curves are the same. Interior and exterior of a closed curve. The area which is inside a closed curve is referred to as interior of curve. The points A, B, C, D, E and F all lie in the interior of this closed curve. The entire area which is outside of a closed curve is referred to as exterior of curve. The points A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H all lie in the exterior of this closed curve. Linear and curvilinear figures. If the boundary consists of straight lines, then the figure is called linear figure. In a closed figure, if the boundary consists of curved lines, then the figure is called curvilinear figure. Polygons. A simple closed curve made of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. A polygon has at least 3 line segments. The line segments of a polygon are named by the sides in it. Poly means many and gon means sides. Thus, a polygon has many sides. Different polygons having definite number of sides are given names according to the number of sides. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. A polygon with 5 sides is called a pentagon. A polygon with 6 sides is called a hexagon. Thus, we have seen that polygons are shapes with boundaries as straight lines, sides, vertices and diagonals of a polygon. This is a polygon formed with 5 line segments. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. This polygon has 5 sides: AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. The points at which the sides meet are called vertices. This polygon has 5 vertices. These are A, B, C, D and E. Any 2 sides with a common endpoint are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. The pairs of adjacent sides are AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DE, DE and EA, EA and AB. The endpoints of the same side of a polygon are called the adjacent vertices. The pairs of adjacent vertices are A and B, B and C, C and D, D and E, E and A. The joins of pairs of vertices which are not adjacent are called the diagonals of the polygon. The diagonals of this polygon are AC, AD, BD, BE and CE. Let us revise the important points that we have studied in this lesson. 1. Open curve is a curve whose starting point is different from the end point. 2. Closed curve is a curve whose starting point and end point are the same. 3. In a closed figure, if the boundary consists of straight lines, then the figure is called linear figure. And if the boundary consists of curves, it is called curvilinear figure. 4. The area which is inside of a closed curve is referred to as interior of curve. 5. The entire area which is outside of a closed curve is referred to as exterior of curve. 6. A simple closed curve made of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. 7. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides, and the points at which the sides meet are called vertices. 8. The lines joining of pairs of vertices which are not adjacent are called the diagonals.